Mr. Simoncelli's math students. This is a quick message just to set the tone for the rest of the week here. I am actually in my Geometry Concepts and Applications class. Section is entitled Remote, Chapter 11. For my other students, it will be entitled similarly, but it will be a different chapter. And the actual page, as you can see, is the calendar. And for every class, it'll be labeled the same way. The calendar for this particular class is obviously different than my other classes that are non-geometry, but the guidelines are the same. Mondays, we'll do a one-note check-in, followed by a collaboration space video lesson that I will screencast, and then I will answer a Q&A session separately anytime that day. And that you want to post something to the collaboration space, please do so. And I'll address those questions as soon as I have the time to look at it. Tuesdays are similar, as you can see, one-note check-in, collaboration space, but a homework Q&A as opposed to a video lesson Q&A session. Wednesdays, again, OneNote, back to the collaboration space video lesson because I'll be teaching another lesson, and then again another Q&A. Thursdays, OneNote check-in. We'll do a Teams Thursday, so you guys are going to be video conferencing with me upon your parents' approval, which I'll email them later tonight. And then a Q&A followed by that. And then last but not least, every Friday we'll again have you go to OneNote, but also have a Flipgrid Friday. Flipgrid Friday posting. All of you should have been given that message as far as creating a Flipgrid account and basically just recording yourselves doing a problem from the week. And that literally is just one problem. Now you are going to have homework every day, whether it's filling in the notes or doing actual problems following the notes. So please pay attention to this last column here. As I noted earlier, there will be a collaboration space video lesson Q&A. Let's just kind of take a look and see what that's all about. The collaboration space, if you take a look on the left side here, I have add section for me, but for you, you'll just see sections. And then remote learning. This collaboration space, folks, is something that all of you can add to. The very first page of which you can see it's an invite. Basically, this is the same message that your parents will be emailed later tonight. Basically, giving me and you the ability to proceed in this manner. If they don't want you to, that's fine. Video lessons and activities. You can see here. I've got my first video from 3:20 already uploaded, so you guys can look at that at any time. And then as I continue with my respective video lessons, you guys can click on those as such. But then Q&A, here's the little page below that, a subpage, in which you guys can upload questions. And you can even write them. If you have the ability to write, great. Some of you don't have a stylus, so maybe you just type it in. But each respective day, you guys have the option to give me some Q&As. Not just for the video lessons, but also for the homework. All right, so again, this is geometry with, again, those respective days, the homework and such. And then each following subpage, you can see a nice big blank slate for you guys to ask questions. So post something per day if you have any question with the homework or the lesson. I will certainly later be giving you guys more info as to how Microsoft Teams video conferencing works. So please look out for that. Thanks so much, folks. I miss you guys. I've been thinking about you guys, and I'll tell you what, I appreciate all of your efforts. Persevere, and we're going to do this together. See you guys.